Whoa! Can you see it? I can bet that you don't know what you can do with this piezo electric igniter. Ow! For the next experiment, of course you will need the piezo igniter, a pencil, and I'm gonna draw a straight line. Okay. I turn off the lights so you can see better what is happening. I'm gonna place my finger here and ow! I don't know, can you see it, but the spark is traveling from the igniter through this line made from graphite and on my finger. Oh, oh. In my hand I'm holding 5mm yellow LED, and with the piezo electric igniter you can light up the LED. By the way, I'm taking the shock, but this is just an experiment and showing you what can do this electric piezo igniter. Okay, let's proceed to next experiment. Now let's draw a curved line. Okay. Let's try it again, holding here. Oh! Did you see it? Ow! The spark is traveling from the igniter through the graphite line, curved line, to my finger. And here it is, the LED. I will try to light up. Yes. Can you see it? And here it is, another line, interrupt line. Let's try it. Will it spark? Jump through the lines. Whoa! Ow! Yep, working fine. Alright. And my last experiment. This is a screen from some kind of device, and when you shock it, look, the display coming live. Alright, this is fun. I hope you liked today's experiment video. If so, please give a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See ya! It's not hurting anymore because I shocked myself over 100 times.